Do you think you can ask the lady at the counter to get me more Diet Coke, please? Will you go ask for me?
Yeah. More Diet Coke for Daddy, please. He's not right yet.
Oh, leave it up there. She'll get it for you. What kind of drink was it? What kind of drink did Daddy ask for? He's there.